Hello everyone. Here we have an interesting geometrical problem. We have to find the perimeter of shaded region, which is given here. Actually, the figure is a circle in which some portion of a right triangle is inscribed. We have to find the perimeter of exterior portion. So, if we see in the figure, then the perimeter will be sum of the lengths xy, yz, and chord xz. So let we move toward the solution. First, we take if we see towards the triangle and consider this angle 58 degree, then OX will be base, XY will be perpendicular, and OY will be hypotenuse. So let we move toward the solution and find cos of 58 degree. Cos 58 degree is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So base is 12 centimeter, OX is the base, and OY is the hypotenuse. So from here we can find that OY, this is equal to 12 divided by cos 58 degree. So the value of OY is equal to 12 divided by cos 58 degree is equal to 0.5299 approximately, and from here OY is equal to 22.6449. This is what the value of OY. From here we have required only the value of YZ. So YZ is equal to OY minus OZ, and OY is equal to 22.6449 minus 12, which is equal to YZ is equal to 10.6449. This is what the YZ is. Now we find XY. XY is equal to XY is basically perpendicular of the triangle, so we use tangent theta, formula of tangent theta. So tangent of 58 degree, it will be equal to base is OX. It will be equal to perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular is XY divided by base, which is equal to 12. From here XY will be equal to 12 times tangent of 58 degree. Tangent of 58 degree. So the value of XY will become 12 times tangent 58 degree is equal to 1.6003, and thus this XY will become 19.2039. This is value of XY. Now the only remaining length is the length of chord XZ. First of all, we define the formula for the length of a chord. If we have an angle of x degree angle, and radius is r, then formula for the chord length is equal to length of arc is equal to, this is formula, x degree divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So length of arc xz will be equal to length of arc xz, this will be equal to 58 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 pi, and radius is 12. So this is what the all values of the parameters are. If we will simplify this one, we will get 12.1474. This now we have calculated all three lengths. Just we will take sum of these lengths, and it will give the perimeter of required shaded region. Perimeter of the shaded region is equal to sum of xy, yz and xz. xy plus yz length plus xz. So xy is equal to 19.2039 plus yz is equal to 10.649 plus xz is equal to 12.1474, which is equal to 41.9962, or you can write it approximately 42 centimeter, which is the required answer. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.